In this training and internship program, you will start from zero and end with an internship experience, which will actually pay you. Here is how it works. First, you will develop the necessary skills by completing the online course on IoT. And then you join an internship on IoT and earn a stipend. The course you enroll into is a hands-on course where you will work with the kits shipped to you. You will learn IoT by actually building the projects. You will begin the course with basics and move on to advanced topics in a structured manner. You will work on both Arduino and Raspberry Pi as part of the course. You will build a number of IoT projects in the course, like weather monitoring system using IoT, smart water monitoring using IoT, smart irrigation system using IoT, automated street lighting using IoT, smart building system using IoT and PIR. Weather monitoring system using IoT and Raspberry Pi. By the end of the course, you will develop an advanced level IoT project that uses computer vision technology to transmit the video captured over internet as live footage to your screen. You will also learn to write programs to control the devices while doing the course. The course is based on Skyfi Labs, learn, do, review methodology, which ensures that you learn the technical concepts, in addition to building the projects. Once you complete the course, you will get a certificate, and you will also be given a list of internship opportunities related to IoT to pick from. Choose an internship offer that you like. Complete all the assignments given in the internship, and earn a minimum stipend of 10,000 rupees. You will also get an internship certificate on completing it successfully. This will put you in a great position to apply for jobs, or for higher studies in IoT with confidence. Since this is an internship, we will obviously be able to take only a limited number of students. Enroll today, to give a good start to your career.